Hello, welcome back. The weather outside is so hot, so let's draw something cool. Now I will tell you how to draw the mocktail. It is not healthy to drink, but it is kind of fun to draw it. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and everything and let's start it together. First, let's start with a flower and then a leaf. Now let's draw orange slice. Now I'm going to draw the glass part. For that, first draw an oval shape for the rim. Now draw a U shape for the bowl. After drawing the bowl part, now let's draw two slight curves for the stem part and an oval for the base. So the main part of the mocktail drawing is completed. Now let's draw some curves inside the glass. So tell me what we need to drink a mocktail. Yes, it's a straw. Now let's draw a straw. Now let's fill the mocktail in the glass. For that, draw a wavy line and then dip the straw in the liquid. After that, let's draw eyes and a mouth. Now let's draw the bubbles. After drawing the bubbles, let's draw some diagonal lines on the straw. After completing the drawing, using a black marker or a black pen, let's draw the outline. Here, I'm only drawing the outer part. Actually, I forgot to erase the pencil traces, but before coloring, make sure to erase the pencil traces and then start the coloring. So now, let's color our cool mocktail using different colors. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.